Mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa DAP-K ni akomithitie ciĩko iria irahanĩka mwena wa Malava cia gũthoga gĩthurano mwena ũcio. Mũhoranĩri wa gĩturwa kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Malava na kĩama kĩa DAP-K Seth Panyako augĩte atĩ ona thengia wake kũhũra riboti kũrĩ borithi thutha wake gũtharĩkĩrwo. Abitha a borithi matinonania kuoya ikinya o rĩothe. Aruti a wĩra ake arĩa nĩ hamwe na ndereba wake nĩ magurarĩtio na rĩu maratangĩkĩrwo thibitarĩ-inĩ thutha wao gũtharĩkĩrwo. Rĩu Wamalwa nĩ orĩtie andĩki a mohoro mamateithĩrĩrie kwanĩka njĩra iria irahũthĩka gũthoga ithurano. Wamalwa augĩte matinetĩkĩrio gũthũrima mathandũkũ ma wĩikia wa kura nĩ commission ya IEBC.
One of the victims of this attack had his intestines actually torn out. As we left Webuye Sub-County Hospital, he was in theater, and he's not out of danger yet. Would want to request you that you accompany us there, and we also would like you as the media, as our key partners, free media being the cornerstone of our democracy, to know that our democracy is facing its darkest hour of peril. And you, the media, can actually defend our democracy by exposing all electoral malpractices.
I have no driver speaking today. My driver has been grievously injured. I have many of my employees who work at the hotel. 10 so far we have seen. One is still in theater as we talk. They have been grievously injured. The
tool of violence, the violence visited on our candidate directly, is meant to create the environment, conducive environment for voter staffing and voter suppression. We want to urge all our supporters across the country, from Magarini to Mbere to Malava, to come out. The only way we can defeat this system is by